Creating SwiftUI animations is not hard, but getting the animation to look right is very difficult. Why? Because there is no way to visualize easings and how things move before committing to use a particular easing function or timing curve. It is very tedious to keep running your app and navigating to the correct screen just to find out you still have fine-tuning to do. Enter MotionScape, adjust, test, visualize, generate Spring parameters and easings for your SwiftUI animations. It is an open source and first-class macOS citizen app for testing and editing animation easings. MotionScape allows you to customize and preview motion to see different options with well-formatted code snippets in an intuitive user interface. It supports Spring animations, easings, custom timing curves. The app onboards you with a collection of ready-made animation examples with code snippets ready for you to copy and paste into your SwiftUI animation. These include circles, chains, emojis, and gradient circle. You can look up details of animation parameters and use the Options tab to adjust and tailor the animation speed and start time to your taste. To use MotionScape's easing snippets for your SwiftUI animations, simply copy them from the Animations tab or select the Code tab and click the copy icon. You can download MotionScape today from the Mac App Store to start visualizing your SwiftUI easings and timing curves. Thanks for watching.